Does your college-age student need estate planning documents done? Yes or no? It's Lisa Ward here, your investment advisor to millionaires. The answer is yes, they do. But they don't have an estate. They're still on my bankroll. Yes, but they are 18 or older now if they're in college. And we don't necessarily have access to financials or medical documents because they're over the age of 18. So, a medical power of attorney is something that you should look into before your student goes off to school. Get that drafted up, give your attorney a call so that, heaven forbid, something happens before you hop on the plane to go rescue them and be by their side. You actually know what's going on, what's the severity of their condition, so that you can not enjoy that plane ride, but you at least have the information. Then we need the HIPAA release as well, so that the doctors can release the documents to you and speak freely with the condition of your child. So those two pieces are super important. And then the third piece is your durable general power of attorney, so that you have access to financials, but also the student's records at school. So class schedule, grades, starting of classes, ending of classes. So if we need to delay going back to campus, you have literally access to everything. You can help make decisions in this process. Heaven forbid something happens. But also super important for our out-of-state students, but also our students that are studying abroad. So if you guys have questions about this, please let me know. I am not an attorney by any means, but we work with our clients' attorneys to make sure they understand what they need, what they don't need, and that we are protecting them from all angles and educating our clients so that everybody is taken care of. So if you guys have questions, let us know.